To keep this community growing and thriving, we need your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out any latest content. In the last video, we have seen the brief introduction about how the project can be created and how the forms can be created. In this video, we are going to see how the forms can be created. So for that, I have downloaded some sample form here. Once you go into this sample form, once you open this sample form, you can able to see this. This can be completely done in the Excel format. You can have these three main columns will be there in the first sheet. There are three sheets will be available in the Excel sheet, that is survey and choices and settings. The survey form will consist of all the questions. We can able to define all the questions here. In the choices option, what are the choices whatever the choices we have, we want to store it in the application, we can able to do that. So the choices means for example, if you have a gender male, female, and those two are the choices we can able to make for one question. So those like that we have districts, we have certain multiple regions, and we have multiple kind of tribes and those kind of things we can able to mention here. And the choices references we can give it in the list, we can give it in this choice sheets. So these three things will be essential for the choices, that is list name, that we are going to give it as a list name, and we can mention the list name will be the unique list name will be there for each list, and we can have multiple items in that list. So name and label will be there. So name will be the database attribute and label will be the whatever we show on the mobile application. So here the type will defines the data type of that particular question. For example, if we are asking for task name, that will be the text, like we need to enter the characters in this question answer text box. So for example, if we take the date and time, that is the, if we ask for some kind of date, we can able to define that as a date time type, because we are going to take that information in the date time format. If we want to take some kind of integer age or some kind of count and those kind of things, we will take it as a integer, so we can able to mention that in the type box. So this way we can able to build the mobile applications logic, and then we can able to test it in the I will show you the steps to how to test and those kind of things. So in the settings sheet, we will be having form title, form ID, and default language. These three will be the essential, most required things. The form title will be shown on the mobile application, whatever the mobile application will have, that sample forms, and this title will be shown in the mobile application. In the form ID, this will be taken care by database, ODK Central application. And then the default language, we are defining it as English, and there are multiple languages we can able to apply in this forms, and that we can see it in the next coming videos. Okay, that's all for this video. We will be testing this form in the next video. Thank you.